On this video today, I'm going to show you the easiest and the cheapest traffic source that you can use to make money with CPA marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method is very simple. Make sure you keep on watching till the end because I'm going to show you an offer that has a higher payout and a very cheap traffic source that you can use to promote the offer. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join a CPA marketing network. In this case, I'm using CPA Group. CPA Group is available worldwide, and the best part is that the approval is instant. So once you enter your details, you can get access to an account immediately. Once you create your CPA Group and log in, what you have to do is that you have to come right here and then click on Offer Tools. Once you click on it, select My Offers. Once you click on My Offers, you're going to see a page like this. The next step is that you have to find an offer to promote. CPA offers, they are geo-specific, so each of the offers on this platform are allowed to be promoted to one specific country. So you have to look for a country where you have a traffic source so that you can promote offers that are allowed in that country. In this case, you are going to search for United Kingdom. So click right here. Once you click on it, search for JB. Once you search for it, you can see United Kingdom. Click on it. Once you select the United Kingdom, you're going to see a page like this. When you scroll down, you can see these are offers that you can promote to people who live in the United Kingdom. You can see a whole lot of different offers that you can promote. You can see a whole lot of them. Any of these offers that you want, you can promote. All the offers, you are approved to promote any of them that you want. So you can scroll down and select any of them that you want so that you can promote it to people who live in the United Kingdom. Before you promote an offer, there are certain factors that you must consider. You can consider the requirement, you can consider the payout or the device that is allowed. In this case, I'm going to consider the payout. I'm going to look for an offer that has a higher payout so that when I get a lead, I can earn a lot of money. So just scroll down and then find any of them that has a higher payout. You can see this offer right here. The payout is $2.22. That is the amount that you're going to earn per every lead that you get. This one is 48 cents. This one is $2.22. And you can see this is $3.42. That is the amount that you are going to earn per every lead that you get. There are many offers, so just scroll down and then find any of them that has a high payout. You can see this offer right here. The payout is $10.27. That is the amount that you are going to earn per every lead that you get. And the best part is that the requirement is simple: email and zip submit. So your potential visitors have to enter their email and zip code so that they can stand the chance of winning £500 gift card, and you are going to be paid $10.27. They don't need to buy anything. All that they need to do is that they have to enter the contest. Once they enter the contest, whether they win or not, you are still going to be paid $10.27. Now what you have to do is that you have to click on the offer so that you can get your affiliate link. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. You can see this is the title of the offer. You can see this is the description of the offer. So your potential visitors have to enter their information so that they can stand the chance of winning £500 gift card. You can see the warning right here. It is only allowed on Apple iOS in the United Kingdom, so you don't need to promote it to any place apart from the United Kingdom. This is your affiliate link, so you have to get people who live in the United Kingdom to click on this link and then enter their information so that they can stand the chance of winning £500 gift card, and you are going to be paid $10.27. So now the next step is that you have to find a reliable traffic source so that you can get the right people to click on your affiliate link and then take the action for you to make money. You can use free traffic source or you can use paid traffic source. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you a reliable paid traffic source that you can use to promote the offer so that you can be making money on CPA Group. The website that we are going to be using today to drive traffic is hilltopads.com. This website is one of the best platforms that you can use to advertise your affiliate links. It has a beginner-friendly interface, and the best part is that it has a good quality traffic source. So if you promote your offer here, there's a likelihood that you get conversion. Apart from that, the cost per click is also low. So if you're a beginner with low budget, you can still use this website to make money promoting CPA offers. Now what we are going to be doing is that we are going to sign up for an account so that we can be able to advertise the offer that you are promoting using this website. So click right here, sign up. Once you click on sign up, you have to click right here and then select advertise. And once that is done, enter your name here. Once you enter your name, enter your email address. Once you enter your email address, enter your password Once that is done, you're going to scroll down and then click right here, I agree to and accept terms and conditions. Once that is done, click on sign up so that you can get access to a free account. Once you create your accounts and log in, you're going to see a page like this. So what you have to do is that you have to begin creating campaigns. To create a campaign, click right here, manage campaigns. Once you click on manage campaigns, you're going to see a page like this. Click on add campaign. Once you click on add campaign, you're going to see a page like this. You can see add format. Click on it and then select your ad format. You can see they have pop under desktop, pop under mobile, in-page desktop, in-page mobile. You can see video vast desktop, video vast mobile. Any of the ad format that you want, you can select. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to select in-page mobile. So select that. Once that is done, you can see the pricing type. You have to click right here and then select whether you want cost per click or you want cost per mail. The cost per click means you are going to be paying per every click that you get. The cost per mail means you are going to be paying per every 1,000 impressions that you get. So any of them that is suitable for you, you can select it. In this case, I'm going to select CPC, cost per click. So select that. Now once you have selected that, you can see traffic channels. You have to click on it and then select the traffic channels. In this case, we're looking for mainstream traffic. So select mainstream high activity. So select that. Once that is done, you can see campaign name. Type your campaign name here. Any name that you want, you can do that. In this case, I'm going to type 500 gigs, something like this. Once that is done, you can see frequency capping. How many times do you want a person to see your ad within 24 hours? You can see they have one per 24 hours. So if you want, you can increase it or decrease it. In this case, I want a person to see my ad 3 times a day. Once that is done, you're going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see campaign targeting. Geo simply means the country, so you have to switch it on. Once you switch it on, you can see include. When you click on it, include, exclude. If you want to include the country, you have to leave it like this. If you want to exclude certain countries, you can select exclude. In this case, we are targeting only one country, so it is better for us to select include. We want to include only one country. Once that is done, you are going to search for the country here. You can see a lot of different countries. You can see a whole lot of them. So search for the country that you are targeting. In this case, the offer is allowed in the United Kingdom. So search for JB. Once you search for it, you can see United Kingdom. Click on it. As you can see, that has been done. The country has been selected. Once that is done, you can see browser. There is no restriction. The offer is allowed on all browsers. So just leave it. Once that is done, you can see OS, operating system. The offer is not allowed on all operating systems. It is allowed on only Apple iOS. So you have to switch it on. Once you switch it on, you have to select iOS. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see device type. It is not allowed on all devices. It is allowed on mobile. So click on it and then select mobile. You can see mobile smartphones. Select that. You can also select tablet. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see mobile carrier. Just leave it. There is no restriction. Connection type, there is no restriction. Language, you have to switch it on and then search for English, because the people who live in the United Kingdom speak English. So search for English. So search for English. You can see English. Select it. Once you select the language, the next step is that you have to select the IP range. In this case, there is no restriction, so just leave it. Once that is done, we're going to scroll down. You can see OS version, the operating system version. There is no restriction, so just leave it. You can see brand mobile device. There is no restriction, just leave everything. ISP, leave everything. App, leave everything. Once that is done, you're going to scroll down. You can see proxy filter, allow. We don't want to allow proxy traffic, so disallow proxy traffic. Once that is done, you can see web view. We are going to allow it, so just leave it. Once that is done, you're going to scroll down. You can see automatic optimization. You can see the impression, everything. Just leave everything and scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see impression limits. If you want to limit the impression that you get per day, you can do that. You can see total impression. If you want to limit the total amount of impression that you get on your ad, you can switch it on. Daily budget limit, you can do that. Total budget limit, you can enter the total budget limit. Once that is done, you can see campaign schedule. If you want to schedule your campaign, you can do that, but in this case, we're not going to schedule it, so just leave it. Once that is done, you can see creative upload. You have to upload images of the offer that you are promoting. To get an image of the offer, what you have to do is that you have to come on CPA Grip. Once you come on CPA Grip, right click on the offer image and then select save image as. Once that is done, you are going to click on save so that the image can be saved. Once you download an image of the offer, what you have to do is that you have to come on the Canva and then click right here, upload. Once you click on it, you have to click on choose file so that you can upload the image of the offer that you downloaded. So select your image and then click on open. As you can see, this is the image. Now what you have to do is that you have to click right here, use in a new design. Once you click on that, select custom size. Once you select custom size, you're going to come back on your ad. You can see this is the size that is required, 192 by 192 pixels. So you have to come back and then enter the same size here. So enter 192 by 192 pixels. 192 by 192 pixels. Once that is done, click on create new design. Once you click on it, you can see this is your image. The next step is that you have to click right here, share. Once you click on share, you're going to click on download. Once that is done, you're going to leave it as PNG file. Once that is done, click on download. You can see the image is downloading, so it will be downloaded within some few minutes. As you can see, it has been downloaded. Once it is downloaded, come back and then click right here so that you can upload an image of the offer. Once you click on it, select your design, click on open. You can see the image has been uploaded. You can see it right here. It has been uploaded. Now what you have to do is that you have to give a name to your creative. So just leave it like this. You can see push one. Just leave it like this, push one. It does not matter. Once that is done, you can see final destination URL. This is where you're going to place your affiliate link. To get your affiliate link, what you have to do is that you have to come back on CPA Grip. You can see this is your affiliate link. Click on copy link so that you can get your affiliate link. Once you get your affiliate link, you're going to come back, paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see title. You have to copy and paste the title of the offer here. So you have to come back on CPA Grip. Once you come back, highlight and copy the title of the offer. Highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you're going to come back, paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see description. You have to come back on CPA Grip again. Once you come back, highlight and copy the description of the offer. Highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you're going to come back, paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you enter the description, you can upload an icon image. So you can click on it and then select the image that we designed. So select the image, click on open. You can see it has been uploaded. Now, once you have entered all the details, you're going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see click rate, the cost per click. How much are you willing to pay per every click that you get? If you leave it like this, it means you are willing to pay 10 cents per every click. But in this case, we are not willing to pay 10 cents per every click that you get. So you have to enter your own figure here. So just enter any figure that you want. We are going to enter 0.09. 0.09. I think this is okay. If you want, you can lower it or you can increase it. It depends on the amount you are willing to pay per every click that you get. Now, once you have entered all the details, the next step is that you are going to click right here, add campaign, so that your campaign will be published. You can see it is loading, successfully completed. Your campaign has been completed. When you scroll down, you can see it right here. This is your campaign. It is pending. So it is pending approval. The reason why it is pending is because you don't have funds in this account. So what you have to do is that you have to deposit funds into the accounts so that our ad will be allowed to run on the website. To deposit funds, click on add funds. Once you click on it, you can get a lot of different payment methods that you can use to deposit money into your accounts. You can see these are the payment methods that you can use to deposit funds into your account. Wire transfer, you can see these are the credit and the debit cards that they accept. They accept Bitcoin. You can see cryptocurrencies, they accept that. So just select any of the methods of payment that is convenient to you so that you can deposit money into your accounts for your ad to run. For example, let's select the credit card. So click on it. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. You can see the minimum payment is $50. So you have to deposit a minimum amount of $50 through your credit card so that they will accept it and then allow your ad to run. So just enter the $50. Once you enter it, click on pay so that they can give you the instruction that you have to follow in order for you to deposit money into your accounts. Before you deposit the money, always contact your account manager so that he or she can give you a promo code. Once you get the promo code, when you enter it here, anytime you deposit, you are going to be getting a discount. Make sure you contact your account manager and then ask for promo code before you deposit money into your accounts. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.